back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope that wherever you are staying safe and you're happy and you're healthy. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day today. Chelsea and I had a long walk, and for the first time after many months, I was able to just go for a walk in my t-shirt. So that is something. It's really, really beautiful outside. And I know it's hard for us because we still have to practice social distancing and we cannot get together. But I hope that whether you're inside or you're able to go out for a stroll or, to stay in your yard, that we are still saying our gratitude and we're still recognizing that this is a beautiful God-given day. So today is going to be different. I have here a shipment that just arrived this morning from Amazon, and I thought I'd just show you what I have here. It's supposedly an organizer for my crafts, and I will show you what I have. So I have so many buttons and beads, and I sell so many medals in my Etsy shop, purely personal gifts, and I like to organize them. So I bought this, and again, this is from Amazon.ca, and the supplier is Acro Mills. So let's see what it looks like. So I am going to unbox it. Okay. So there is no foam or any sort of protection. So I guess we have to rely on the courier to just not toss this or drop this. Otherwise, it may damage the item. But let's see. Okay, so it's light. Again, it's just a little cabinet to help me organize my crafts. And this is plastic, 100% plastic. The size, let's see. Size of this is 19 3/4 by 15.5 inches, and then this is by 6.25, or actually 6.5. So 19 3/4 by 15. Did I say 15.5? Almost 16, and then by 6.5. Yes, and then this is 100% plastic. And how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 32 little drawers, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So, and then 12 bigger drawers. And this comes off, the drawer comes off, and so you can clean it. There's a stop here though, so that whatever you put in here won't just, fall off. That's good. There's a stopper there, so that's a good thing. What do I think about this? Well, this looks really very straightforward. Not ugly, not also beautiful, so it's ordinary. I wish it looks prettier. So it's in plastic color, white and black. So hopefully this can help me organize my buttons, my beads, and other craft items. You can mount this in the wall, I believe, yes, because there's a slat here. So yes, this can be mounted, or just put this in your table. And once I have all the items stored already, then I probably can show you and let you know if I like this or not. For now, if it helps me organize my items, I would be happy. Just ordinary. Now the price. So that's what I have here. I hope that you are supporting my channel. But thank you, thank you for all those who have subscribed and supported my channel. I appreciate you all. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel yet, please do subscribe. I would really, really appreciate that. Let's grow together, craft together, learn together. And you can visit me at my Etsy shops, Purely Personal Gifts and neldascrafts. I hope that you're able to get together with your family soon enough. My daughter, again, I miss them. Stuck in London, UK because of the COVID-19, and then my other one is in Toronto with my grandchildren. So I hope I can see them. Oops, Chazzy is there's there's Chazzy. Yeah, Chazzy's not even able to be groomed. Look at his hair. This is my little buddy, but his hair is growing really long. I tried to cut his hair every now and then, but he needs grooming. We still cannot see the shop, still not open. So anyways, hopefully we get over this craziness soon enough. Have a blessed day. Continue journaling and crafting, and stay safe. Stay inside. What else? I wish you all a beautiful night. It's still beautiful, and it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon now, but it's still gorgeous outside. So okay, take care everyone. That's all I have for now. Thank you again for your support, and please subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. Bye now.